Hello, Teams here. This video is totally for the how to upgrade the SAP kernel step by step. So this is my blogs, and I'm helping to here to how to upgrade the SAP kernel. So this is the preparation. First task is preparation. First, you have to check the your what is your current version. So you can check using the transaction code SM59 to can check from release note to check the current version. So how to you can check the current version? We can click over here, so we can check here. So see, simply go to the SAP systems, go to systems, and go to say stages and status. Uh, you can check here usage data, SAP data, host data, and database. Also you can click on the information kernel information. So you need to click on the other kernel info at the bottom of the systems box. So here you can check your current release version is 700 and 236 is the support pack level. Okay, so like that you can check it in your current system. Now what is the procedure for the kernel step? So you can download the support pack from the service marketplace, and you can check from here, like there is a support package entry by application group. So I can show you how to check it. So simply go to software download. Forgot my IDR. 1 second. So here go to support pack, go to A to Z, and go to the K. So here you can find out the SAP kernel here. So here see this is the add-on for SAP GUI, SAP kernel 64-bit Unicode. So this kind of the kernel are there, 722, 743. Current is a 7.89 bit Unicode kernel. So here see there are the two types of the kernel. Like if you have the Linux system, so this is the database independent file and database dependent file. So if you have the HANA database, so this is the HANA database file is there, exdb, okay, and database dependent file is SAP exe here. So there are the two files you have to download accordingly. Okay, so like that you can download it as per your requirement. Now download and create one folder, and you can you can create the one folder mkdir in and you can make it a new kernel name as a folder name, and you can extract that both the kernel software in the new folder. You can transfer this file from your system to Linux system using the WinSCP. You aware about it, like how to transfer this. Then first of all create a new folder and backup the old kernel directory to other location. Okay, so first of all you have to take the current current kernel backup directories, take the backup. And additionally the default location of the kernel is SAP MNT SIDEX. This is the default location where the SAP kernel actually exists here. So this is the second part, kernel upgrade process. Log into SIDADM, go to new kernel directory, uncar the these two packages, stop the SAP R3 and stop the SAP OS call. And before stopping the SAP system, make sure that the logged user base job are alerted. It means you have to take the proper downtime to you already informed to the uh, your respective business teams to take the approval before stop the SAP application. Then log into the system as a root user and copy all the extract kernel directory to exe directory. It means go to the new directory cp-pr star to SAP MT SID, and after all package copy run the following command. So go to the SAP MT SID exe folder, and this is the root SAP root.sh, and give your SIDs. So this should be run by the root user only. Okay, and this is the main command you have to execute it, because it gives the executable permission to the your current it means a newly copied kernel. Okay, then go to then you switch to SID and start your SAP system and OS core, and then again you can check from the current SAP and check your upgraded current version of kernel upgrade version, current upgraded version SM. So go to the transix.sm51 and check from the release note. You can check that also latest kernel version number, or additionally you can go to the uh, systems and status, and you can check the kernel information over there. So that's it guys in this video. We'll meet in next videos. Thank you, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel.